Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Got a great video for you today. Today, we are gonna open up and install my Memphis Shades handguards for my Harley Davidson Road King. So let's get into this. Alright, so we got the Memphis Shades handguards. I'm going to be installing them on my Road King. And let's see, open up the box and see how they look. This is a part I've been pretty skeptical on. I haven't been too interested in it, and just want to try something new. It's winter here in Washington, and it is cold, and I'm hoping that I can stay just a little bit warmer with these. So here got the, alright, I was concerned I only saw one. So got the mounting hardware to mount it to my bike. And then here we got the handguards. These look really nice. Nice durable plastic, and let's get it set up to install them. So you got the hardware. Let's see, hardware right here. So it's kind of like the Road Warrior fairing. So these are a little bit tighter than I expected, so good thing I got my wrenches right here. So I'm guessing 10 millimeter. Nope, a little bit bigger. A little bit smaller. Alright, 11 millimeter it is. So I'm just taking these off. That installed. Alright, both of them are prepped. So let's go out to the Road King and get them put on and see how this works. Alright, so we're going to install the right one first. So you'll notice that this one is shorter. I'll do a quick comparison. So we got two different lengths. So this one's going to go over here because it needs more space. And then we got the one right here. So we're going to install this side first. It's going to connect right under the mirror. So I'm just going to take this off real quick. Then install. First I gotta take out the pressure washer. And then lastly the mirror. So I'm gonna have it set up in the same angle as the lever is, and I'm gonna tighten it up. Nice and tight. Now we'll kind of take a look at how they both look separately. So far I'm honestly digging it. I was really skeptical of these handguards, but honestly I'm pleased so far. So let's get that second one installed. Alright, now we're gonna install the clutch side. So like I mentioned before, this one's a little bit longer because the mirror is a little bit further back. Gonna remove the mirror real quick. I just want to make sure they look and feel right from the riding position. Back. I think it looks pretty good here. Now it's time to see if they're actually worth anything. So I'm gonna go for a ride and test them out. Hopefully they're worth what I paid for them. Alright, just got back from a ride, testing out the Memphis Shades handguards, and they definitely fit the bill. So it doesn't keep my hands from not being cold, but the wind that it keeps off my hands is a significant difference. So my hands aren't like frozen solid or anything. So I'm loving these things, and they don't look half bad. So I'm really digging the Memphis Shades handguards. So if you guys are interested, there'll be a link to the description on this video. Great news. I got it from Amazon. It was on Amazon Prime. So I ordered it one day and I no shit got it the next. Absolutely legit. So if you're trying to get them next day or within a couple days, make sure you use Amazon Prime. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.